Well, this is the worst growth story for India in a decade. The gross domestic product is estimated to grow at an annual 5% in the 2012-2013 fiscal. The government stated that on Thursday. This is a clear signal of a sinking economy despite India's economist, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh at the helm of affairs. The latest estimate is the worst growth projection in years, issued by the government and RBI despite the global slowdown in 2008. The GDP was higher than the present projection. So is the UPA losing the plot? And it is time for them to hear the development model of Modi. RBI Governor D. Subba Rao has said the central bank will take the GDP figures into account while framing monetary policy for its next review in March. This has been the worst growth story for India, with the GDP curve slipping to 5%. But even as the GDP was at a higher at 6.7% and 8.4% in 2008-2009 and 2009-2010 fiscal, during the global slowdown which has also hit India. All right, let's cut across to Manoj Sharma, my colleague who's joining us on the story. Manoj, if you could break down this piece of news for the layman, for people who are watching, what does it actually mean for the economy?
Well, in fact, this is definitely not a very good news for the economy. In fact, if we break it into components, then the agriculture and manufacturing sectors, they were witnessing slow growth even in previous quarters. But the worst thing that has come out of this figure is that even services which were growing earlier are now showing a southward trend. So this is actually disturbing. It not only indicates that the growth has declined, but it also shows that it could decline further, because the major driver for growth in GDP was services sector till now, and now even services is showing a southward trend. So definitely a disturbing trend. But most of the economists are saying that this is not the case with India alone. In fact, it is the impact of global happenings which is slowly showing down on Indian economy as well. In fact, Indian economy had been performing well despite global meltdown and global
Right.
problems, but now it seems those things have even trickled down to India as well. Priti.
All right, so clearly the worst growth projections in 10 years, they're not heartening to note. Of course, the question whether India should follow a different development model comes into play. We, of course, will keep exploring that. Manoj, thank you for joining us.